Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best air fryers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer was the top performer in our traditional, basket-style air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its easy-to-use and read buttons and clear owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. Both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer scored the highest in performance. It produced crispy and even frozen fries, homemade fries and chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results and melty cheese. Features: guilt-free food fry, wide temperature range, dishwasher safe parts. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Instant Vortex Basket Air Fryer. We already love the Instant Pot, so it's no surprise that Instant Brands churned out another winning product with the Instant Vortex. During our tests, we found this air fryer cooked with more power than the others, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although it's no louder than a microwave. We also love the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken, while the Crux could only make a half pound of chicken per batch. The interface on the Instant Vortex is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. It also has a sleek angular look that you won't mind seeing on your everyday. Features: perfect crisp, save space and time, large capacity. Coming up next. In third place we have the COSORI Air Fryer Max. Clocking in at 8 quarts, this is one of the largest capacity air fryers on our favorites list, but its modern and compact aesthetic are ideal for your countertop. Fry a large batch of perfectly golden French fries or bake an 8-inch round cake and share with your fellow COSORI friends. If you're looking for cooking buddies that are also air frying enthusiasts, then join the 31,000 Facebook community members of COSORI Cooks. Chat with other COSORI owners, get and share recipe tips and show off your finished dishes. Features: large capacity, 13 cooking functions, safe materials. Now moving to the number 4. Chefman TurboFry Touchscreen Air Fryer. In our tests, the 3-quart Chefman TurboFry produced crispy and even results. It was also easy to use with a lightweight air fryer basket. One thing to keep in mind is its vented basket, which promotes air circulation, also allows for dripping if you don't empty the grease buildup between rounds. The removable tray has many vents that benefit from cleaning with a brush. A digital version is available, which we've tested in the past and allows for more precise temperature and time selection, but if you're not one to program specific times, the TurboFry is a great value. Features: healthier frying, perfectly crispy results, space-saving and easy clean. In the 5th position we have the GoWise Digital Air Fryer. A lot of what makes an air fryer fun to use is how the user gets to interact with it. The display on this model stuns when you turn the machine on by flashing forward in a bright blue, with graphic buttons and easy-to-understand functions. Its extra large basket holds just a few more fries and an extra chicken breast than your typical model, a huge plus in case an extra guest or two pop by for dinner or are staying with you for the weekend. The interior surface was the easiest to clean of all the models tested, often needing only a wipe of a paper towel to rid it of any mess. Features: digital touchscreen, alarm function, start-stop button. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best air fryers. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.